I'm going to cover escape characters in Python. You can try this out on CodePad.app, our free online coding platform. If you want to define a string, you use either single quotes or double quotes. And if you want to have an actual single quote in your word, such as word can't, then you can just simply use double quotes to define it, and vice versa. What if you had something like this, where you have both a single quote and a double quote in your string? As you can see, if I run this, you'll get an error because it doesn't know where this string actually ends. Well, this is where the escape character comes into play. What you do is you just simply put a backslash for the character that you want literally. So in this case, I want to have the actual double quotes here. I'll put a backslash here and a backslash here. Now, if I run it, everything works. But what if you want the actual backslash character? Well, the workaround on that is to escape the backslash character. So you will need to have two backslashes to get one. There's a few other escape characters I want to cover. One is if you want to represent the tab character, you can use /t. And notice if I run this, you'll get extra spaces for the tab character. In addition, you can use a \n, which stands for the line feed character. Basically, it says move to the next line, and I'll put something after it so you can see. This is what's up, doc. This is my temperature on the next line. And finally, there's one other one called the /r for the carriage return. In Windows files, the line endings for each line is actually a carriage return and a line feed. But in the modern Mac Linux system, they only use the \n or the line feed character. That's it for now.